Hello everyone, got a rav4 here. Problem I had was the alarm goes off at daft o'clock in the morning. So you have to get out of bed, press the key, open the door, shut it again, go back to bed, hopefully it doesn't go off again. But in that case it didn't. But what I've found out is this little button here. What you do is you take the key out of the ignition and if you have a look at that security light, it's just flashing like that. And then when you press that, it starts flashing like that. And then what you do is get out the car, shut the door, set the alarm, and then you're okay. And then what happens, it's disconnected the alarm on the inside of the car, and it'll only go off if someone opens the door or smashes a window. Thanks for watching. Give the old thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.